Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks Garage. These videos are going to be videos that I am revamping from some of my older videos. A couple reasons for that. YouTube is not paying all that great right now, and I've been told I talk way too much and I get a lot of blah 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 comments. So therefore I'm kind of trying to cut some of this stuff out. So if you need any more information on what you're about to see and you feel like something got missed, please go find the longer version of these videos. Thanks for watching.
Here with the glue sticks here, we got a couple different kinds. We got the one that I got in the archery section, and later on I found out that these cheap hobby store
Hobby Lobby rocks.
garden variety glue sticks basically work just as well, or sometimes better. So what we're going to do, we're going to start out, we got this insert here. We're just going to heat up the glue stick here. I just use a Bic lighter here, and I put a little bit on there. Alright, then I'll take it, get that out of the way, and we're going to heat it up one more time. And take it and just insert it in to the tip, push it down, and lay it to the side. Now when you're all done with that, you're basically going to have this right here. There'll be some glue sticking out. Go ahead and let it harden up well, because as soon as that's done, you let it harden up for a little while, that peels right off of there. So then get this out of the way. We got our tip here. What I got here is bowstring wax. This is another tip that somebody at a archery shop told me, and I'm sure it's on YouTube a million different places too. But this bowstring wax, we're going to take the tip here, and in the threads put a little bit of wax. And we're going to stuff that down in there. Now this is a dried one. I'm letting my other one dry. This is one that had already dried, the insert. Stick that in there, and what that'll do, that'll keep it so your tip won't rattle out or loosen up. It takes quite a while if it ever does. I've actually been doing this about, like I said, 6 or 7 months now, and I've only lost maybe 2 tips, and mostly that was because I hit something I shouldn't have. So anyhow, there's a little tip or trick. If you like the way I did it, go ahead and do it. If you don't. I have been told that heating these up can hurt them, which is true, but you can touch this stuff almost right away. So the heat that goes in here is very negligible.
Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.